Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beacon House Old Student Society, Boss Memory Lane. Beacon House Boss is all about building a community together. Today, we are privileged that we have a very distinguished and accomplished alumnus with us. He has 14 years of experience in performance and growth marketing. He's an MBA and also completed his Credentials of Readiness core program from Harvard Business School. He graduated from Beacon House, Bahadurabad, Karachi in year 2001 and is currently working as Director of Admissions and Marketing at the University of Walton, Islamabad. Mr. Faisal Haroon, welcome to Beacon House Boss Memory Lane.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you very much for having me. It's a privilege to be a part of the Beacon House legacy, and it's a privilege to be an alumni of Beacon House.
Let's take a trip down the memory lane. Your fondest memory at Beacon House.
One of the memories that I could recall is I used to be a very introvert person. I used to have my lunch box and I used to sit alone on a bench and I used to eat my lunch and I used to play Kho and Kings with my friends back then. So when that happened, there was a group of girls who actually came and spoke to me, and I realized that I've been in the boys' branch for good some time and I was not able to speak.
If you have to describe your school life in 3 words, what would that be and why?
I miss it.
All right.
I miss it. Let me tell you this, the branch where I graduated from, it's been there. Now I think they relocated or whatever. So graduate होने के बाद अभी तक last year तक I visited that campus thrice.
आपको teachers के नाम याद है उस वक्त के?
Oh yes.
Would you like to name few?
Our principal at that time was Miss Atiya Halim, senior mistress Miss Rabia. Then there was Miss Neelafar, chemistry की teacher होती थी. Miss Shahnaz Rashid होती थी, and Miss Kehkashan होती थी. Miss Kehkashan was one of the teachers जो अभी हमारे कराची के reunion में she was there and I met her. She was the Urdu teacher. And Sir Fareed होते थे, वो अभी भी शायद Beacon House में हैं. I believe chemistry के practicals देखते थे. Sir Fahim, I miss him a lot. He was our PT teacher. मतलब I can still name them.
At school, you make friends for life. Your friend's name and some memories associated with that. Anything would you like to share with us?
Sure. So there are lots of friends. In fact, the friends for life that I have are from my school. मैं किसी का नाम अगर लेना भूल जाऊंगा तो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी इस वीडियो के बाद. But I can assure you, we are still in touch and we meet and we talk regularly.
अच्छा, किस ग्रुप में थे जब आप स्कूल में थे? मतलब आपने कहा इंट्रोवर्ट तो थे, बट पढ़ाई का क्या था या एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज?
I was more of a person जो क्लास से बाहर टाइम गुजारना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करता था. So you know, अगर कोई क्लास से बाहर जाने का मौका मिल गया या किसी भी बहाने, हमारे पीटी सर होते थे, सर फ़हीम, तो उनसे हमारी बड़ी अच्छी दोस्ती होती थी. तो आई यूज्ड टू, वी वर अ सर्टेन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और हम उनको कहते थे कभी भी कोई ऐसा मौका हो ना तो आप हमें क्लास से बुला लीजिएगा बोल के. वो आते, स्पोर्ट्स के सर, वो आते थे, वो कहते थे कि लिस्ट में ऐसे ही नाम चेक करते थे, कहते थे फैसल जी सर वो ट्रेनिंग कैंप है वहाँ जाना है. ओके सर मैं आ रहा हूँ मैम. And I used to go.
Right. So you were part of the sports also. स्कूल में बहुत करते थे.
कोशिश तो पूरी होती थी. Yes, I was not one of the best, obviously, but I used to like it, and I still do. I still try and play as much as I can. Cricket, soccer, or other games as well.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay connected with your school friends. Download the Boss app. So, आपने भी हमारी ऐप पर हैं. आपको कुछ और दोस्त मिले उसके उस ऐप के थ्रू?
काफ़ी सारे. I was able to get in touch with them. What you guys are doing, you're actually bringing all the memories back to us, and plus bringing us together as well.
That's why we say Beacon House Boss is all about building a community together.
Yes.
Right. What is one aspect of your school life which you really miss nowadays?
being natural, being genuine. उस वक्त सब लोग बग़ैर किसी मफाद के, बग़ैर किसी एजेंडा के एक दूसरे से मिल रहे होते थे. We all had time. स्ट्रेस नहीं था एक्सेप्ट पढ़ाई का. And that was the best part.
You had sibling also at that time in Beacon House? तो siblings का कोई comparison तो नहीं होता था?
होता भी है, लेकिन आपको पता है कि siblings में girls are far more studious, better. So वो I had to face that because उन दोनों के grades हमेशा अच्छे होते थे और मैं I was through that. लेकिन एक और चीज़ होती थी जिस पे my sisters they always used to feel bad. वो ये कि उन लोगों के even grades आते थे above 80 every year और मेरी अगर 60 से भी ऊपर आ जाती थी परसेंटेज या 70 भी, तो मेरी अम्मी जो है ना वो रो देती थी. वो कहती थी मेरा बेटा, और मेरी बहनें कहती थी हमने 80-85 स्कोर किया है.
राइट, ओके. आपको अपनी क्लास का नाम याद है या सेक्शन का नाम वो याद है? क्या कलर था या
10B
10B
the last class that I remember. 10B I still remember.
Right. और आपको अपना house, do you remember your house name?
Yeah, so earlier I was in the greenhouse for the longest time. Then for some reason I was in the yellow house.
Okay. What is one thing about your professional life which you really like and Beacon House has impacted on it?
Again, being very honest, there are very few people or organizations who actually guide us through that decision, which is very important. And since the time I've been in Beacon House, so the teachers were very nice, the staff was very nice, and I was able to inculcate that in those students as well.
So they made the right foundation for you.
Yes.
And you know the one aspect which you're saying that your decision-making power actually was inculcated in you at a school level.
Yeah, even my confidence and even my stage fear was, I overcame that. There was someone जो assembly में national anthem या वो करना, so I used to be there.
Oh wow! So it was music, sports, and of course padhai bhi grades too. And then there's another aspect which was diversified. You were a banker when you started as a banker, and now you know there's a shift in your career. Would you like to talk about that?
I started my career as a banker. In fact, इसमें बाकी लोगों के लिए भी एक बड़ी example है. So when we choose our careers, so we make a lot of decisions based on the perceptions and opinions which are built due to XYZ factors, and we are influenced by a lot of people, a lot of pressures, जिसमें peer pressure, social pressure, parents pressure बहुत आता है. So I took a decision and I went into the finance sector.
Alright.
I was doing my ACC in the beginning and I went into the banking. Then I realized that it's not for me at some point in time. Finance is not for me. I used to love talking and from that time I changed my industry, got an opportunity, went into the education sector.
You're working with Bolton University. Would you like to tell us about this university and its first ever campus in Pakistan?
This is the first foreign university ever to come to Pakistan with their international campus. Previously, there have been a lot of other arrangements at tier 1 level, but this is the first ever university to open its campus in Pakistan. It's more like a privilege for our country and a gift for our country that a UK university is opening up their campus in Islamabad, and they're very much enthusiastic about bringing up the academic standard. It will be a good thing for other universities as well to actually compete at that level and power. And alongside, there will be a lot of opportunities for the local students in Pakistan to study with the international students in Pakistan.
Because it's a campus.
Yes,
It's not a degree program. They're like proper campus.
Yes, it's a purpose-built campus. 200 canals पे based campus है with all the infrastructure and the campus life that anyone would dream of. Furthermore, जो हमारे बच्चे ड्रीम करते हैं बाहर जाके एक ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ना जहाँ पर एक्सपोजर मिले और foreigners अलग अलग हों. So here they will get that opportunity because the people from the surrounding countries, they could actually come to a hub which is Pakistan, and specifically in Islamabad because the security conditions and everything
Right.
suits it very well. So people from Turkey, people from Iran, from Afghanistan, from other neighboring countries, they are actually coming to Pakistan for this. Yes, and that's a big achievement for us as a nation as well.
Sometimes in our life, we get to hear a few words which stay with us and we really follow them. What were those words? Were said to you by whom and you really followed them?
My parents, especially my dad, when I was young, मुझे उनकी बातें जो है ना वो ऐसा होता था कि मतलब I did not used to follow him. मतलब वो जब कहते थे कोई बात कि ये चीज़ कर लो या वो चीज़ कर लो, तो उस वक्त समझ नहीं आती थी. Now since I've become a dad, और उससे भी पहले since I got married, when I got a little mature, according to my wife I'm still not, but still when I got a little mature, तो I realized कि वो सारी बातें जो उस वक्त कहते थे अगर मैं उस वक्त मान लेता तो it was, but शायद हर इंसान अपना पाथ खुद चूज करता है.
Go through a journey.
Oh yes, we fall down, we get up, and that's a part of life.
What pearls of wisdom would you like to share with the young minds of Beacon House towards the end?
To please be very genuine. Second thing, I would suggest be very, very clear and use factual information when taking any decision with respect to your career or your studies or anything in this regard. Thirdly, I would say yes, it's very good to be digital. जितना हम Snapchat, Instagram पे टाइम गुजारते हैं, उसका अगर हम स्कूल लाइफ से ही 10% LinkedIn पे भी गुजारना शुरू कर दें. So by the time we are actually graduating from the school life, we'll be able to understand कि हमारी strengths क्या हैं और उन strengths की basis पे we'll be able to take a better decision based on that.
So, in short, we have to use the social media platforms with more responsibility.
Oh yes, with more responsibility, with more values and ethics.
Oh yes. On this positive note, ladies and gentlemen, we end our Beacon House Boss Memory Lane. Thank you so much.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.